about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now.
Welcome to another day in the life. Today is Monday, Memorial Day, so I don't have to work today. I'm at home. I had coffee earlier on. I filmed a video, been super productive. It's currently 1:40. It's almost 2 o'clock and I've only had coffee. I'm not really super hungry, but I think I'm gonna start making a salad. That way when I do get hungry, I'll have something to eat. I'm gonna use the rest of these greens. I'm also gonna use some carrots, cucumbers. I'm gonna finish up these tomatoes. For salad dressing, I'm gonna use this Trader Joe's one today. I haven't had any berries today, so I'm gonna add a few berries to this salad to make it a little bit antioxidant. How cute are these little baby cucumbers, you guys? They're so cute. I just cut it into some big chunks. I'm gonna add some of this Trader Joe's chicken to the salad as well. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the top, like a crunchy topping. Only like this much, and I'm just gonna crunch this over. I also poured some grapefruit juice. This is from Trader Joe's as well, and I'm gonna have this with the salad. I'm only gonna have 4 ounces of this shit. It's pretty good. The blueberries give it a nice little kick, a nice sweet kick, and the chips are like a nice salty chip, like a salty, spin. So I'm in my room now. I'm about to start putting some laundry away. I have all this laundry to put away into my drawers. So I just made myself a little snack. I thought I would show you guys. I made a green tea matcha, an iced matcha, and it tastes amazing. This has oat milk, ice, matcha powder, and agave. And then I made some brioche. This is a toast bread from Trader Joe's. And then I added some red pepper hummus. It tastes amazing. I'm gonna enjoy that little snack, but I'm pretty much done organizing my room for the day, which is amazing. Like, you guys. I'm gonna have some of this pink lemonade from Trader Joe's as well. This tastes amazing. It's really high in sugar though, so you gotta be careful and not drink too much of it. Good morning, guys. It's another day. I'm still drinking my coffee. I just got my package from Skims. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see what I got. I only ordered 3 things. This is my first order, so I didn't really, want to do too much. Ooh, this is what the inside looks like. Y'all could see that I ordered some tape. I wanted to order this when they first launched, but I just never placed an order, so I decided to finally order the body tape. So this is their body tape, and you could use this for various things. If you're wearing a top where you can't really wear a bra but you want that lift, this is perfect. And it says it is sweat proof 24-hour wear, and that's really good. So I'm gonna try this out. Then I got these 2 things from their new launch. This is the Mesh collection. This one I got in a size large. I think I got large for both. So this is the top, or like bralette. This material feels really nice. So then I got these bottoms, and these I got in a size extra large. The logo looks really nice. Alright, so this is the bralette, and it fits really nice. I'm happy I got the size large because it fits perfectly. This has a really nice amount of support where, like, you don't look super droopy. I like that about it. And let me show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. Also looks really nice. At first I couldn't tell At first I couldn't tell which side was the front and which was the back, but then I realized that there was no way the back could be the front because it was literally like this short in terms of like the length. So you can see it's a lot shorter. It's a lot shorter in the back. But so this is the first piece. Let me show you guys the bottom. I personally like both pieces. I think they look really nice and they fit really well. So yeah, I think I will definitely be placing some more orders. Alright, so I just made myself a little yogurt and granola and fruit bowl. So my coffee is still not done yet. And so I'm going to work on my thumbnail for this video. Good morning, guys.
Hello, YouTube.
Today we are about to go to Dunkin'. I
Donuts?
desperately Dunkin' Donuts, yeah. I desperately need some espresso because we ran out of Nespresso pods for the Nespresso machine. So I'm gonna go grab an espresso from Dunkin'.
Oh yeah, this is good.
This is a iced latte with almond milk. So that's what I got. We're about to go to the park with the kids because they haven't really been out much since since the epidemic started. We haven't really been able to take the kids out much, obviously, because it's just not safe. But we are going to take them to the park. It's not, you know, super congested. It's not like people are going to be close together. All right, Johnny's getting ready. I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to do my eyebrows just because they look crazy. And that's really the only thing, because I'm only going to do that because I'm going to have a mask on, obviously. I'm trying to do this with one hand and it's really hard. Is everything okay? Is everything okay, sir? Brows are done. I just use this Ulta Beauty pencil. You guys can't even see it. This is from Ulta Beauty. I'm gonna go make sure the kids are ready to go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
When the storm comes and the wind blows, your foundation is strong.
There's a bird.
We're still walking. We're at the park, guys.
All right, got it clear. Right?
Is anyone coming?
No.
Okay. I think coming. Alright, so I'm back home and I'm currently editing a video. So I got a package from Makeup Revolution and I'm going to open it up. This is cute packaging. So the first thing I got is a baking powder, and this is the chocolate banana shade from I Heart Revolution. Then I ended up getting 3 of the bronzes, which you guys were telling me were really good. So I definitely picked 3 up to try out. I got dark, medium dark, and deep. So I'm going to try these out and let y'all know my thoughts on them. Probably going to love them, but I had to get these because you guys told me that I needed them in my life. So yeah, got these. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I just realized I did not end it like I usually do. So thank you so much for watching. In case you didn't notice, this vlog was over the course of about a month. So I started vlogging on Memorial Weekend and then went all the way through last weekend. So it's been a few weeks in that one vlog, so hopefully you did notice, and if you were confused, that's what was going on. I do have some more current vlogs coming up for you guys. Also, I have a bunch of new videos, so definitely stay tuned for those, and I will have all my recent videos linked down below in the description box. Anything I talk about in this video, I will try to remember and link it for you guys as well. And if you see something that you want me to link, let me know so I can link it. Yeah, so with that being said, happy Thursday. No, it's not even Thursday, y'all. It's literally Monday. What the heck? Happy Monday. And I hope you guys enjoy this week. And I'll see you guys in another video, probably tomorrow or the next day.